Let's go. So not only today, guys, are we talking about the Bitcoin price, but we are following up on yesterday where I talked about a specific whale, and now we are going to look at what the whales are doing on a more overview kind of thing. So yeah, if you're interested in what the whales are doing, I think it is important information. It can help you in making better decisions. We're also talking about Ethereum, and you will not believe who is starting to perhaps flip bullish on Ethereum. So if you're holding Ethereum, you will want to watch this. Also, we are talking about altcoins in general and other stuff you just need to know about. Can this push us towards $45,000 and beyond? Yeah, welcome back everybody. My name is Cristiano, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. Only 5,000 subscribers left in order for us to reach 200,000. Completely insane, guys. Make sure to be in the top 200,000 subscriber club. Subscribe and activate the bell right now. Okay, let's jump straight into Bitcoin here on shorter time frames first. And what we can see is that Bitcoin yesterday, and I actually posted this on Twitter, I was saying, let's see if my second, hold on, I think I posted something here. So yeah, rejected at my orange box, and this was actually 2 days ago. It will be extremely hard to break above my red line. And of course, if you've been following my videos, you already know about that. But then this update right here, let's see if my second orange box can hold up the Bitcoin price. This one right here at around $38,000. And then perhaps we can make a new push tomorrow. And yeah, it's looking likely that that is going to happen because you can see that we went down into my second orange box, big support here. And maybe now we are going to make a new push towards the $42,000 level. But you can already tell that this is extremely hard to break through. I mean, we're not even at the red line yet. Still, we've been rejected at the edge of my orange box multiple times here. So just know that there's still a lot of resistance here. But for every Bitcoin bull out there who believes that we are going to, in a short time frame, break through $42,000 level, because look, in a longer time frame, we are going to break through it. It's, it's no question about that. But are we going to do it within a week? Are we going to do it within 2 weeks, a month, 2 months? That's the question. And right now we have a lot of resistance right here. And also we did break, if I go to this chart, we did break down from my triangle I was talking about yesterday as well. So we did have a decisive drop here. And yeah, that is what you need to know. But I want to show you something else, because if I flip on the Lux oscillator, you can see that not only did we get a buy down here, so that was good for everyone who were using the Lux algo, but also you can see these bars right here. This is institutional volume. I mean, this institutional volume, we don't really know if they are buying or selling right now. But yeah, just know that institutions are getting involved now, big whales, people with a lot of Bitcoin are getting involved. So yeah, let's see what happens. I think that we are going to see some massive volatility within the next couple of days. And also, I'm going to actually tell you why I got this evidence for it as well. But first, let's flip on the Lux indicator. And on the Lux indicator, we're not seeing something in particular. Well, we're seeing that this buy signal right here at $36,000, I mean, this has been doing well, but I would not get into Bitcoin right now until we break through $42,000. But you may not have that much time to get in once we're actually breaking 42, and I will tell you why. If we go to the amounts of shorts versus longs right now, you can see that the shorts are continuing to pile up. And as you know, I've been talking about this as well. The number one reason why we may break $42,000 is because of a short squeeze. And this is during the last 14 days. But if I go to the last 30 days, you can see that, yes, indeed, we are getting a lot of shorts involved right now. You can see that traditionally, I mean, during the last 30 days, we've had 97% longs, 95% longs and 5% shorts, 97, 98 actually percent longs here on the 2nd of June here. But since then, we've been seeing the shorts pile up, especially as we're getting closer to the $42,000 level. You're seeing more and more shorts actually being added to the book here. Now, looking at the last 90 days, just to put this into perspective, you can see that the amounts of shorts, I mean, this is a huge mountain compared to what you have been seeing traditionally. I mean, you did see a lot of shorts here also on the 18th of 18th of May. So I would figure on the 18th of May, maybe we did have a big dump. So let's see here, 18th. So yeah, it was basically during this period. Let me take away all of that. During this period, you also had a lot of shorts. But the difference right now is that we were actually, we were at $50,000 going down, okay? We were at $50,000 going down. Now we are at much lower levels, and still we do have a lot of resistance right here, but I mean, we are at lower levels. So this is dangerous for the bears. And to keep this into a more, or to put it into a more historical perspective, let us look at the last 180 days. And you can see, yeah, there's a lot of shorts, even historically. Now, if you go to the, let me do the 360 days. And let me see here to put this in perspective. Okay, so we did have in 2020 actually here. This was before the big run up. You did have a lot of shorts as well, but still this is more than the amount of shorts you were seeing right here. Bottom line is, during this bull run, we have never seen this amount of shorts. So I will keep you updated regarding that, but the more shorts that are added, the more likely it is for us to have a massive short squeeze and the Bitcoin price going up. Other than that, I want to quickly talk about what Bitcoin whales are doing, and they continue to accumulate because during the last 25 days, they have added 90,000 Bitcoin. So they now hold a 7-week high of 9.11 million Bitcoin, currently worth a total of 366 billion. And yeah, this is interesting. So this is Bitcoin holders with 100 to 10,000 Bitcoin in their wallets. And you can see that it has been increasing recently. So during the dip, the whales and the people with a lot of Bitcoin, they have been adding more. So this is why I'm telling you, do not sell right into support down here, because it is very likely that the whales are just scooping it all up. So before we talk about altcoins, guys, if you want to start trading yourself and you want to get the $1,610 in bonus on Buybit, make sure to use my link. You're also supporting the channel. Also, be careful when using leverage. So Ethereum is not doing anything in particular here, but one interesting thing is that MicroStrategy is looking to change maybe its stance on Ethereum, because previously they only talked good about Bitcoin. So Michael Saylor only talked good about Bitcoin. Now over on CNBC, he said that Ethereum has its place in the crypto space. So they are competing with, you know, traditional finance with banks and all of that and decentralized applications, and that it's not as bearish to him as it's been sounding previously. So previously he was saying there's only Bitcoin, there's nothing else. Now it looks like he is actually changing his mind a bit about that. So that's cool to see. And if he starts buying Ethereum as well for MicroStrategy, that is going to be very, you know, it's going long term, it's not going to matter that much because it's all about the fundamentals of Ethereum long term. But short term, just him going out and saying that he's buying Ethereum, potentially it's going to happen within the next 6 months. I don't know. Maybe he's going to announce that. And maybe, I mean, for certain, that is going to have an impact on the Ethereum price. So just giving you that heads up. Now, let's talk a bit about altcoins. And I actually want to focus. We've been talking about altcoins during the last 90 days, during the last 30 days. I want to talk about it on the last 365 days. And you can see that Bitcoin is up 300% since then. Matic is up 7,000%. I mean, completely insane. Dogecoin is still up 12,000%. ADA up 1,600%. BNB 2,000%. But a lot of these coins are starting to retrace some of these gains. And you already know my stance on this. Quality altcoins and Bitcoin is going to be the name of the game during the last or during the next 6 months, I believe. So if you're into meme coins, if you're into these white papers with a promise, I would deeply consider to consolidate into coins with solid fundamentals, because I think that those are going to be the coins that are going to outperform the rest of the market. Okay guys, before we actually wrap this up, don't forget to apply as a voiceover artist if you're speaking any of these languages. Time is running out, guys. So make sure to apply today to not miss this opportunity to go full-time crypto and actually make a living out of the crypto space. So yeah, that's the last thing. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.